How to delete your Yelp account. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. So, are you done with Yelp and ready to move on? Whether you are tired of reviews or just want to clean up your digital footprint, well, in this video, I'll show you how to permanently delete your Yelp account. So, now without further ado, let's get started. So, first thing first, open any web browser, and now here, once you're inside the web browser, just tap on the search bar and simply type in yelp.com/support/contact/account_closure. And once you tap for it, you just need to search for it and you'll be prompted to the Yelp account closure request form. So here you just have to complete the closure procedure, like you need to select your reason for leaving, and after that you just need to click on send, and Yelp will review your request and send a confirmation email. And after that you just have to open your inbox and find the email from Yelp and click the information link, and after that you just have to confirm. And here, once confirmed, your account will be permanently deleted. But keep in mind that once deleted, all your reviews, photos and bookmark will be gone for good, and there is no undo. And that's it. That's how you can delete your Yelp account. With this, if you found this video helpful, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe to get updated for more videos. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.